Hello and welcome to our video on the cage distance model. Have you ever wondered why some companies thrive in foreign markets while others struggle? The answer might lie in the cage distance model. In this video, I'm going to explain what the cage distance model is and how it can help you understand and navigate challenges of international business. What is the cage distance model? The cage distance model is a framework for evaluating the cultural, administrative, geographic, and economic differences between any two countries. This model is developed to provide a structured approach to understanding the differences between countries and the implications for international business. Let's take a closer look at the 4 dimensions of the cage distance model. The first one is cultural distance. This dimension reflects differences in language, religion, values, and customs. Cultural distance can impact communication, marketing, and customer preferences. For example, McDonald's had to adapt their menus to cater for local tastes in different countries. The next step is the administrative distance. This dimension reflects differences in political systems, legal systems, and regulations. The administrative distance can impact the ease of doing business in a foreign country. It can also influence the level of corruption and bureaucratic red tape. For example, Uber has faced regulatory challenges in many countries due to differences in transportation regulations. The third one is geographic distance. This dimension reflects differences in physical distance, time zones, and climate. Geographic distance can impact transportation costs, lead times, and logistics. For example, Amazon had to adapt their supply chain and logistics to navigate the challenges of delivering goods across long distances. We also have the economic distance. This dimension reflects differences in income levels, currencies, and the availability of resources. Economic distance can impact pricing, financing, and sourcing. For example, Starbucks had to adjust their pricing and sourcing strategies to cater to the economic differences between countries. So, what are the implications of the cage distance model for international business, you may ask? Well, the greater the distance between countries along any 4 dimensions, the greater the potential challenges and risks for businesses operating in foreign markets. However, by understanding and managing these differences, companies can create strategies to overcome these risks and challenges. Companies, in this way, can leverage the opportunities of international markets. Let's look at some examples of companies that have used the cage distance model to navigate challenges of international business. The first company is Walmart. Walmart has successfully expanded into many countries by adapting their business model to local markets and their conditions. For example, in Japan, Walmart acquired a local retailer to gain access to local expertise and networks. Coca-Cola has adapted their marketing and product offerings to cater to local taste and preferences in many countries. For example, in India, Coca-Cola has introduced regional flavors and smaller packaging sizes to appeal to local customers. Another example would be Nestlé. Nestlé has successfully navigated the challenges of sourcing and pricing by developing local partnerships and supply chains. For example, in China, Nestlé has established joint ventures with local dairy companies to secure a reliable and cost-effective supply of milk. In conclusion, the cage distance model provides a valuable framework for understanding and navigating the challenges of doing business abroad. By adopting the cage distance framework, companies can diminish the risks while taking advantage of the potential in these foreign markets. Strategies can be developed to overcome the challenges and leverage the opportunities of foreign markets. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it valuable, and if you did, we can catch up in the next video.